manners of the heart when reciting the Quran. When reciting the Quran, it's important to be mindful that we are not uttering the words of mankind. None of the Quran, none of it, not a letter of the Quran came from man, period. All of it, 100%, 1,000% came from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We do not believe like the Christians, Matthew, Mark, Jacob, Luke, and all of them. Nah, we don't believe none of that about the Quran. Even when other people are speaking in the Quran, what do they say? They say, قال الله تعالى على لسان Dawood. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said upon the tongue of Dawood. But they say what Allah said. Every time you're quoting Quran, it's قال Allah. Even when someone else is speaking. And it's قال الله تعالى على لسان إبراهيم, upon the tongue of Ibrahim. على لسان Musa, on the tongue of Musa, and so forth. So it's always قال Allah when we quote the Quran, point blank, period. That is all. And it's important for us to know this so that we understand the seriousness that we have to approach the Quran with, because every letter of it is from Allah, which is why we're focusing on every single letter. That's why we want every letter to be perfect, because it's all from Allah.
If you benefited from this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms.